I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up a question based on combination of functions. It is a test problem, very important question. I'd like you to pause the video, read the question, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Also, feel free to check the playlist for more related problems on composite and combination of functions. The question here is, let f of x equals to x squared minus nx plus 5 and g of x equals to mx squared plus x minus 3. The functions are combined to form a new function h of x, which is equal to f of x plus g of x. Points 1, 3 and minus 2, 18 satisfy the function. Determine value of m and n. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, in case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on the address given. Now let's begin with the solution. We're given two functions. One of them is f of x equals to x squared minus nx plus 5. The other one is g of x, which is equal to mx squared plus x minus 3. Now, h of x is combination of both, right? Means sum of these two, f of x plus g of x. Now, the domain of f of x and g of x is all real numbers, so domain of h of x will also be all real numbers, right? So, x belongs to real numbers. Now, if we combine them, then we can actually write down what f of x and g of x is. So, as far as x squared is concerned, we have 1 plus m. So, I could write this as 1 plus m times x squared, right? Plus, we have minus n plus 1. So, let me write down minus first, right? So, if I write minus here, then I get n minus 1 times x. And adding them, 5 and minus 3, we get 2. So that becomes the combined function with sum of f of x and g of x. I hope it is absolutely clear, right? Now we are given two different points. Point 1 is 1 and 3. That means the x value being 1 and y being 3, right? So if I substitute 1 and 3, in that case, we get one equation where h of x is 3. And 1 for x will give me 1 plus m times 1 minus n minus 1 times 1 plus 2, right? Let's simplify this. 1 plus m minus n plus 1 plus 2, correct? So bringing the constants to the left hand side, we get 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and when you take it on this side, we get minus 1 equals to m minus n. We'll call this as our equation number 1. Clear? So we used one of the points. Now, let us utilize the other point, which is minus 2 and 18. So, in this particular function, using 18 as the y value, h of x, and minus 2 as the x value, we get 1 plus m minus 2 square and minus n minus 1 times minus 2 plus 2, correct? So we have 18 equals to, open the bracket, this is 4, so we got 4 plus 4m, minus 2 times minus n will give me plus 2n, and then this is minus 2, and here we have plus 2, right? Okay. So that means I have to take away 4 from 18, and then I get what? I get 18 minus 4 equals to 4m plus 2n, right? Or 18 minus 4, as you know, is 14 equals to 4m plus 2n. Dividing by 2, I could write 7 as 2m plus n. Let me call this as my equation number 2. So we have two equations and two unknowns. Now you can easily find the value of m and n, right? So okay, so if I add them up, right? So if I add equation 1 and equation 2, the n's get cancelled, right? So 2m plus m is 3m. So we get 3m equals to 7 minus 1 is 6. That gives me m as 6 over 3, which is 2, right? And now let's find the value of n. To find the value of n, I can use any one of these equations, right? So let me use this equation 1, right? So in equation 1, I'll substitute m equals to 2. So if I do that, then I get minus 1 equals to 2 minus n, or n is equals to 2 plus 1, which is 3. And so we have our answers correct. So our solution is that m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Perfect. So that is how we are going to solve this particular question. I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Don't forget to check more videos from the playlist. Thanks a lot and all the best.